Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. That's Wally. He's my new best friend. The highlight of my trip to Cairns was a liveaboard I did with Ocean Quest run by Divers Den. It stays out on the reef permanently, and transfers are done with the smaller Sea Quest. It has a large dive deck, but let's cut to the chase and get in the water. Ocean Quest operates on Norman Reef, about an hour and a half north of Cairns. We saw beautiful clownfish, giant clams, and countless species of fish. Let's get this out of the way first. There definitely is coral bleaching. But as you can see, the wildlife is still surviving, at least so far. We came across a cuttlefish feeding, one of many we'd see. A pufferfish, and a stingray and lionfish hanging out. In fact, they were many lionfish. In Australia, they aren't pests like they are in the rest of the world, and you don't kill them on sight. Accommodations on board are homey, but everyone's there to dive. And there's a surprising sense of camaraderie and community. Folks enjoyed their downtime on one of the two sun decks. For non-divers at night, there's the legendary sharks in the dark. As crazy as this photo is, I was actually in the water at the time. It's hard to record, but there were sharks swimming around us everywhere. And all the beautiful little reef fish were hiding from dangerous predators. We surfaced after the night dive, having just seen a huge Queensland grouper. Sunrise on the reef is absolutely beautiful. But more diving's on the menu, so let's go. It's hard to make out since he was in the deeps, but we saw a bull shark that was about 9 feet long. We scared away another cuttlefish, but came across yet another one who was sleeping. It was at this point that Wally came to introduce himself. Wally is a Maori wrasse, and effectively the fish equivalent of a puppy. He loves hanging out with divers and snorkelers, and will swim over to you to get his chin rubbed. Wally swam off, so we went and we found another cuttlefish. But oh no, Wally wasn't done with us, and he surprised us again on our ascent back to the boat. The turnaround is very quick, and we're soon gearing up again. I ended up doing 7 dives over the course of 2 days. On my last dive, we went to a place called Shark Mountain, and it didn't disappoint. Then it was time for one final ascent past all the colorful fish. We enjoyed the beautiful scenery of the reef one last time. Before Sequest came to pick us up. I want to thank Divers Den for a wonderful experience, and I recommend doing a liveaboard to anyone visiting the Great Barrier Reef. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please consider giving a like and subscribing. There are a lot more videos to come, and I'll see you on the next one.